There you go.
Stormtrooper.
It's a stormtrooper from Star Wars, isn't it, on the front? Show the egg to the camera. Oh, back up a little bit, Jay. It's right, stop moving. There we go. Okay, do you want to unwrap it?
Seen it, in there. He's having a bath.
Who's having a bath?
Eva.
Is she? You sure about that?
Yeah, it is. I think it's changing in the dramas. I think so.
Okay, let's move this out of the way.
Blocking it.
It's a very inventive way of opening it up there, Jay. Hey! Okay, do you want to put the chocolate to one side? Hey! Okay, so what you got inside, Jacob? Is that how we open it?
Minions.
It's not minions.
What is it
Pour
then?
it out. Oh, let's find out. Pour it out. Oh, there's only 3 pieces. I have no idea what this is.
It's a watch.
I don't think it's a watch. Let's find out. What's the instructions say it is? Well, that looks like a map. Let's have a look at the instructions. Okay.
No, look. It's
Yeah,
a
let's
watch.
see the other side. Let's see everything that you could possibly get. So you've already got Darth Vader.
Yeah.
And it looks like you've got whatever this is here.
I can build it myself.
Well, there's a map on that side.
I'm gonna build it then.
Okay. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Is that it? Right. So,
Ready?
let's look at the map. I'm going to put that over the map and see what difference it makes.
I build it.
Oh, look at that.
Is it?
There's Yoda. Darth Vader, looking all holy. Stormtrooper. The Death Star in the background. There's Chewie. 3CPO. It's quite impressive. Do you want to have a look, Jay? So look at the map. Is it good, Jay?
I see him, Darth Vader.
Jay? Jacob? Jacob? Jacob?
So I build it.
Would you like to have a bit of the chocolate? Go on then.
Daddy, can you